by Sagar Amlani. Though Rachna has given a brief introduction about myself, but my journey from slums of Mumbai to a villa here in Hyderabad through an education in London,
Sagar,
and
just
all
a
that.
minute, your voice is too low. Can you please raise up the volume?
Is it better now? Hello?
If it can improve a little more, just by the volume.
This is the best I have.
Okay.
Is it audible to people? Can you just type yes in the chat box?
Yes, audible.
Perfect.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So I present to you my journey, and that's been through Chawl and Villa. And all that has happened because of me being into learning and development. We know what productivity is. But there is one more thing which also gave me the push to be a board member at PSAI, or to be the host of LinkedIn Local Hyderabad, or even to become a commended profile of LinkedIn 2019. And that was visibility and my ECG of LinkedIn. So today what we are going to share is why LinkedIn. We want people to know us, but before we want to know us, we should know about the platform that can give us that visibility. And here I am sharing some statistics with you. The first statistic said there are 660 million profiles right now on LinkedIn, out of which 43% are women users, 57 are male, 57% of users use mobile phone. So it is very important to understand this demographics, that people are using mobile phone, not a desktop. So your content has to be mobile phone friendly. So today we're going to talk about ECG, and I would love to know what ECG means to you. Can you just type the full form? I can see smile on faces. So as you say in your training, there's no right and wrong. Okay, lifeline, electrocardiogram, economical. Okay, interesting answers. Some more. Employee career graph, amazing. Okay. Global electrocardiograph. Okay. Excellent communication group. Brilliant, Amit. That's a new one for me. I'll pen it down for myself. Lets you know alive. Okay, brilliant. So ECG of LinkedIn that we are going to share is very, very simple. It's engagement, consistency, and groups. If you follow the tips that I'm going to share right now on the masterclass, and you do the ECG properly, you will be rocking on LinkedIn, and that's my guarantee. So what does ECG report look like? So the ECG report of LinkedIn looks like this, which is nothing but social selling index. Are you aware of a social selling index? If yes, just type yes in LinkedIn chat. If no, I will share the link. No, okay. I will be sharing the link with you all so that you can all check what is your ECG, and is about the banner. Can I have people in the chat who have their banners already as blue or something as different? So if you have your banner as blue, just type blue, B-L-U-E. If your banner is blue, just type blue. If it's different, no need to type anything, just type blue, because I need to know how many people do have it as blue or 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Brilliant. Okay. So this is an advertising panel given to us by LinkedIn. And most of the people that I coach or I train them have it blue. We pay lots of spaces to Facebook ads and to other places and invest in website to build our brand. But when LinkedIn gives you this free advertising panel, we miss to use it. So let me give you the hack for that. The 3 points which are most important is use it to enhance your personality. You can use it to either create or interest or to invite people to look into your website. Let's say you have a website, put it right there, the link. You can also use it to share your skills, your passions, or what are you ready to offer the community. For example, my profile last week was I empower individuals, organizations to see opportunities hidden in adversities, and I always kept the commended profile award which I got from LinkedIn on my profile. In the last week, 21 of us got together and we created a book called Shifting Gears, which is a pivot to work out your way in the crisis. And that's exactly when I changed my profile to something different. So now if you visit my profile, you will find it different. The banner is different and you will see something different on that profile. Moving forward, the second and the most important piece here is about. Now, I would like to give you a heads up again. The title, the photograph are the most important thing, because every time when you put a post, every time when you comment on anybody's post, your photograph and title are the only things which are visible. So my friend, ensure that your title speaks the language of what you want to share to the client. That's your elevator pitch. You have just got 120 characters. Ensure you make most of it. Now coming on to the about session, which is a summary, again, a very important place to establish your leadership and the trust for the user. Most of the people or most of the profile that I review are always written in the third person. Now that is a mistake that we all make, because when we meet people in person, we do a handshake and we say that, hello, I'm Sagar Amlani and blah, 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 blah. But whenever we are writing on LinkedIn, we start writing in a third person as if somebody else is trying to read it. For example, Shubhrato, I can use your name, right? Yeah, okay. So let's say if Shubhrato is writing his profile, he would say, Shubhrato is a very amazing person. He is a founder of so-and-so. I mean, why would I love to read Shubhrato as a third person? If I'm meeting you personally, if I'm meeting you virtually, I would love to say, hi, I am Shubhrato Sarkar. I'm a father of 2 amazing kids and I love to golf. I'm also into reading books which help to grow in life. And that will immediately build a connect for me and Shubhrato that, bingo, yaar, I love these books and he loves the book. So that way you have to strike a chord. You never know which sentence will strike a chord with the reader. Again, target your reader always. Your reader, again, can be your client, your customer, your collaborator, or your investor. You never know. The opening 3 sentences are very important, because there is a button called see more. And if your 3 sentences are not equally inviting, the person will not press see more. So ensure that you have a punchline in the first 220 characters. And my friend, always remember, if you have written your about, it does not mean that it ends there. You have to edit it every time you update it, and every time you have to rewrite it. The only point or the only question most of my clients ask me is, what do I do and how do I write it? So the clue is very simple. The first thing is you write who you are. The second point is what you do. The third point is why do you do what you are doing? And the last is, how can you help me? When I say me is a reader. So how can you add value to me, or how can you help me? Always remember, the about is not your place to put your CV or biodata or a sales pitch, but it is a subtle way to introduce yourself and your business to your clients. So always remember that to put facts and numbers, don't put jargons or keyword or buzzwords. just to make it look more attractive. And the last piece is always remember to have a call to action. Most of the people get a content writer to put up their about session, and it's wonderfully written, but there is no call to action or there is no conclusion. A call to action can be as simple as you can invite me or you can talk to me on the email address. Now, most of the people would say that, Sagar, connection details or contact information is already available. Why should I add it here? The simple answer is make it easy for your reader to get connected to you. Don't make it difficult for him to go into your profile, find out the contact details, and take that effort, because most of the people right now are lazy. We don't want to dig more into anything. I've written a very detail about myself, and still people come and ask me, what do you do and what's your business? I mean, come on, guys, just take one step, read it, take an effort. So my friend, call to action and a nice conclusion, very, very important. Apart from these 4 parameters, there are other features like featured, background, skills, accomplishment. Every single thing that is given by LinkedIn is very important, because the more data you put, you are increasing your chance of getting visible. Now, for that matter, do not try to find me on LinkedIn. Let's do an exercise. I want any 10 of you, if you can, or all of you for that matter, just type my name on Google and see what you get on the first link. Just type Sagar Amlani. I'm sure that there are not 10 or 15 Sagar Amlanis in the world, but I'm sure I'm not the only one. So trust me, guys, just press Sagar Amlani and tell me, what do you see as a first link? You can type it in the chat. Exactly. So that, my friend, is the power of LinkedIn. The minute you punch in Sagar Amlani, you are seeing Productivity Explorer. And that's the power. If you have your right profile, if you have optimized your profile, this is what LinkedIn will do for you. It will do free marketing for you. It will make you visible even on Google. Now, if I can take the liberty and ask you to check whenever you're free, even the first 4 photographs will be my photographs from LinkedIn. Even the first 4 videos will be the videos from LinkedIn. So this is the power of LinkedIn. Build your own search engine optimization without spending a penny. Your profile can help you boost your visibility. So if you want to know more, I'll be always there on chat. You can always talk to me. So let's move on to the second piece of profile, which is again very important. And that is recommendation. Because everything that I've told you from top to bottom is about yourself, and you are actually, you're saying about me. I do this, I do this, I do this. But that doesn't help the reader unless and until that is validated and testified with recommendations. So you guys are into a field of learning and development, and you get connected to so many people every day. So rather than asking a feedback, try asking recommendation to people about the course that you have done, or the session that you have done, or something that you have added value in their life, this field which you are. Of course, know that when you are actually training, or when you are giving the session to somebody, you're pouring your heart out in those. Are shy to ask a recommendation. They feel, why should I ask a recommendation? And that's not the place to think about. Just ask. Don't feel shy. Now, one more hack. You don't need to send your profile. You don't need to send your visiting card to anybody. WhatsApp in your mobile phone gives you that ability. All you need to do is, whenever you have your mobile app, you can click on the 4 buttons that are on the screen. It will bring you to this place, which is either you scan or you have your own code. And all you need to do is share this QR code like I have done right now, and anybody can connect with me. All of you, if you're not connected with me, this is 1 minute where I take my water break, and you can scan the QR code on your screen and connect with me. Try it, it works. Okay. I hope it works.
There is a
If
chat
you've
box question which says, how do you create this QR code? I think this is automatically generated, right?
yes, so if they try the steps that I've told them, I can repeat it for them. All you have to do is go on your mobile phone, open the LinkedIn app. You will see this 4 dots. Click on the 4 dots. It will bring you to this screen. There are 2 options. One is scan and one is my code. You go into scan to scan somebody else's code. Like you can scan my code. And the minute you go into my code, it will show you a screen like this. It will be your photograph with your QR code. And you can share this QR code on WhatsApp to anybody and everybody, and people will get connected to you within a second. And to try this, you can open the LinkedIn app, go on to scan, and try scanning the QR code which is there on your screen and check if it works. Richa, I think that's answered the question.
Yes, I think.
Okay, G.
Can we
Can
do
we
this
do this in a desktop? No, no, it's only available on a mobile phone. It's a application given by LinkedIn on the go, so that when you are going and trying to connect with people, you don't have to exchange visiting cards. You can just take out your mobile phone in style, click the QR code and tell them to just connect with you. It's a new age business card. Brilliant. So let's move on to the next slide. The next slide is working smart. LinkedIn gives us an opportunity where we can link our Twitter account with LinkedIn. If you have linked your account with Twitter, just type T. If not, leave it as it is. If you have linked your account with LinkedIn and Twitter, just type T, or else leave it right there. The full form of ECG, my friend, is engagement, consistency, and groups, which is there on my slide. You can never miss it. Every single slide has it on the top. Great. So let's see how we can connect LinkedIn to Twitter. All you need to do is go into your settings, which you can find on your LinkedIn profile. Go into account, scroll down to partners and services. In partners and services, there are Twitter settings. All you need to do is go into that Twitter setting, update your Twitter login and password, and there you go. Every single post that you do from there on will be on Twitter and LinkedIn. I don't manage my Twitter account, and that is managed completely by LinkedIn free of cost for me. You can take a screenshot of this slide and do it later. All you need to do is go into settings, go into account, partners and services, go into Twitter settings, bingo, you're connected. So moving on, how many of you send emails to your client? If you send more than 10 emails, say yes. Do you send more than 10 emails in a day to different clients? Brilliant. So let's say if you're sending 10 emails a day, and if you're sending 200 days, that means you're sending 2000 emails every day. All you need to become an influencer on LinkedIn is 30,000 connects, which means every month you can invite 2000 people to see your profile, view your profile, and connect with you. And in 1 year, you can do the maths. So let's assume that in 1 year, okay, yeah, 200 days and one profile, 10 emails each day is 2000 in 1 year. So to get to 30,000, it's not a big issue or big deal, because every time your email is being forwarded, it will go with your signature. So try to add the URL in your signature. Now, the funny thing here is LinkedIn gives you a random URL. Like my URL was Sagar Amlani CNG and V8 Baba 8. I don't know where that Baba came from. So, that's funny when I share it. But If I was to share my LinkedIn profile, I've updated it, which you can see now on my slide, which is as linkedin.com.expertsagar. So whatever your business may be, try to put that hashtag or that URL into the thing. And every time when you send email, people will start recognizing you for the URL that you've sent. For example, I'll use Ankit available on my screen. So let's say Ankit is an expert on teaching Six Sigma, or Ankit is an expert on teaching, Kaizen. So all he has to do is Kaizen Ankit or Six Sigma Ankit, because next time when the client or anybody is trying to search the URL, Ankit has to say, no problem, just search Six Sigma Ankit on LinkedIn and you'll find me. So without even telling what you do, you have told your client that, you are the champion in Six Sigma. So that's a very subtle way to communicate your business. And LinkedIn gives us an opportunity. So maybe you can put Kaizen, Six Sigma, learning and development, NLP, Richa, or other parameters like mindfulness, Hina. Go on and so on and so forth. Like I know Sashi there, she can just put your branding expert Sashi. So every time people read that thing, oh, branding expert, branding guru. So Sashi invariably becomes a branding coach or a branding guru for everybody. So try to use that URL. Amit is asking, using expert will be a good idea. It's a very delicate thing. I have used it, and yes, I have enjoyed it, and I've also had many questions. So it's a very thin line. How you manage it, it's up to you, Amit. But yes, it's not a very good idea, but still I use it, because that's an icebreaker for me, that what expert are you in and how can you call yourself an expert? And the questions keep flowing in every time, because that expert is a word itself. So yeah, moving forward to the next point is connections. How many times have you experienced that you have sent a connection request to somebody and you desperately wanted to connect with them and they don't reply to you? If that's happened to you, just type yes or why. Shom, I'm sorry, but you can always type your questions. If I'm a bit fast, I'll definitely try to be a slow speaker. I'm so sorry. Brilliant. Okay. So let me give you a hack to answer all your questions or queries and to ensure that you get the connections very easily. So the hack is very simple, my friend. All you need to do is personalize your invite. See, most of the time what we do is when we are sleeping on the bed or we are traveling, or when we're just relaxing somewhere, we just open our LinkedIn, open the network, see the suggestions that is given to us by LinkedIn, and we just press the button, connect, 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 connect. We don't even take the effort of seeing who that person is. We just see that, oh, the title is good, let's connect. But the most important point here is take an effort. It only takes a minute. Go to that person's profile, check what he is doing, check his activity level, because of course, if he has done 2 years, one post in 2 years, even though you send the best of the best message or you send him a $10 check, he'll not be able to open that because he's not active there. So the best way to do it is go onto their profile, see their profile, check their activity. And once you have done that, personalize your message. So the hack is very simple. To write a personalized message, you tell them, how did you know them? What was the thing that made it easier for you to find them? Was it a keyword that you were doing search? Was it the same industry that you were in? Or do you have any mutual connect? If that is the case, then move on to the second point. Tell them, why do you want to connect to them? Don't put a sales pitch here. It's a big no-no. I see so many messages. Every day I get more than 50 messages asking me that, I sell this, I do this. Can you connect with me? I mean, come on, guys. Why do you need to send me a sales pitch even without connecting with me? I don't see those messages. So the best is you try and send them, why do you want to connect to them? Second, you ask that, okay, I've seen your video, I've seen your post recently. And definitely that post was very, very encouraging, and you have inspired me. I would love to have you in my connections and, you know, learn a lot from you, blah, blah, blah. And the best is, do not forget to have again a call to action or a good sign off. A nice conclusion will always ensure that, one, you get a reply from them if they are loaded with the connection. Let's say some people would have 30,000 plus connections and they're not able to connect to you, but they will always give you a reply because that's free of cost. You don't need a premium account for that. Else, they will add you to your network. So it's always a win-win in that situation. Either you get a reply from them or you get a connection from them. So in either case, you know that you have connected the right chord and you can take the business to the next level. Because once they reply to you, you don't need premium. You can start conversation in the chat itself. And that, my friend, you don't need a connection. You don't need premium account, and you have invited the person to chat with you. And that's when you can throw the deal and crack the business. So that's a beautiful hack which I've used to connect almost every single CEO that I wanted to connect to, and every single VP in Hyderabad when I was doing LinkedIn Local Hyderabad. So now we have one more question here. Sample, please. Amit, the sample is right here on your screen. So you can use this as a template. Take a picture and I'm sure it will help you. I'll wait for a few seconds so that you can take a picture.
Sagar, you share the PPT with us if that is okay with you. And we
no, Richa, I would not be able to share the deck because, you know, it's a hard effort of creating that deck. But people taking picture is not a big issue because that goes as an image and not as a PPT alone.
Okay.
Okay, Krishna is saying, I've tried to connect with you and it automatically send a request without giving a chance to write anything. Okay, so let's do that. So Krishna, can you send me your profile, or okay, I would take profile of anybody who is not connected with me and share the screen with you guys, and we'll do it practically right there. Share the screen with Google. Just give me 10 seconds and I'll show you how it can be done easily. Is my screen visible? Yeah, perfect. So let's say I go to network and I find somebody who is not connected with me. Okay, so let's say I want to connect with Praveen Mali, who is not connected with me. There's a portion here which gives connect, and there's a portion here which gives more. So when you're doing it from your mobile phone, it gives you an option of personalized invite. Here, when you do it on a laptop, it goes connect, and you can write a message here. Hi, Praveen. I see that you are into quality and will be glad to connect with you and discuss about Six Sigma. That's it, plain and simple. Is that answering your question, Krishna? Brilliant. Okay, thank you. So I'll take it forward to the next slide and we can move on. Okay, so the question here on this slide is very, very simple. I'm sure most of you would know the answer, but let's still try it. There's something missing on this slide. Can somebody tell me what is missing on this slide? The answer is very simple, so don't try to think complex things. Simplicity is what I believe. Amit, you've nailed it. Yes, it's the comment which is missing, and that's exactly the problem which we all face when we are on LinkedIn. Most of the time when we are scrolling into our profiles, we see the engagement feed and we do not even look into it, and we just type, like, share, and we just press the emojis and we keep moving on. But at the same time, when we are posting any piece of content, we expect 200 comments to pop in, and people to engage with us. But that's not possible, is because the algorithm checks your activity. If your activity is full of only liking different posts, the algorithm will ensure that it does not push your post beyond the first level connection. So the rule, my friend, is very, very simple here. Try to comment and add value to the post. It can be from anybody. The second benefit that you get by doing commenting on different posts is people will start recognizing you as a thought leader in that area. People will start respecting you for what you have said. And there are so many ways where you can connect to people, because they might like it and they might love to have a connection with you, because the questions that you are doing or the conversations that you are posing on LinkedIn will always attract more people. Need not be a controversial post. It can be a positive discussion, but please do not put thank you, best wishes, congratulations, unless and until that the post is requiring that. If the post is about something else, and I've seen so many times people are so desperate, they just type awesome, bingo, bravo, and I mean, why? It doesn't make any sense for the reader. The minute you start putting some kind of a value addition to that post, it will definitely bring a lot of value to the reader, a lot of value to your connections. So let's do a small exercise on LinkedIn right now and see the power of first degree and second degree connections. I'm going to share something in the chat which was automatically posted. I'll tell you how it was automatically posted. But before that, I want you all to just go into this link, type one thing that you think will add value. You are all into learning and development. You have all been into training field. You all add value to the people. Read the post and add one comment which will ensure that the readers start knowing you. Please don't comment on the post. Try to comment which will bring value to you. For example, if you're doing something into training people for mindfulness, write a comment related to that and put the hashtag mindfulness, and you will see the impact which people will have. After half an hour, we'll go again to that post and see what is the impact of that post.
Just a minute, Sagar. Zoom doesn't allow the facility to have links. Please copy paste the link and use it. Zoom will not let you make the link clickable.
Yeah. So they have to just copy paste it on their browser. Thanks, Rachna.
I have to sometime find out who Richa is.
Richa is my sister, so that's where I get confused always with you and her. So that's okay. She's living in Bombay, and that's a very similar name on my mouth, and so that always comes up. If you're on desktop, the link works. Yes, it works on the desktop. So try and answer how you add value or what you do to add value to your people. And that way, you are not only inviting people to see what you do, but you will also see the power of cross collaboration. And this post, I have not posted it with my hand because I was busy on the webinar. There is an application which I'll be sharing very soon, and that was done through that. So I don't invest my time sitting and typing on LinkedIn. It does it for me. Great. So 30 more seconds and we'll move to the next point. Great. So let me go back to the presentation and let's start. Okay. So comments basically how they help, or commenting basically helps that every time an individual comments on your post, the first thing that happens is your network gets to know that you have commented on XYZ. My network gets to know that you have commented on my post, which means if I have 15,000 connections, if you comment on my post, the 15,000 people will get the notification who are following me. And that is a very big opportunity. And that's where always try to comment on each other's post, and you will ensure that the engagement is much better, the reach is much higher, and the visibility increases 10x. So moving on to the second piece. So this piece is about engagement, but the engagement will be incomplete if you are not consistent enough, because the algorithm keeps checking if your activity levels are consistent. And that's where, as acronym, which, I use ECG, or maybe somebody call me a Dr. LinkedIn or something. So I say the three medicines, or the medicine that I subscribe to people in consistency is have one tablet in the morning, one in the afternoon, and one in the evening. And that is nothing but 3 posts. It can be a post, a video, article, image, or a document. If you take these 3 tablets for 3 months continuously, your SSI will boost up at least by 10% minimum, and maximum up to 30%. I've had people whose SSI has boosted even up to 30%. So this is one of the hack. If you follow this, you will just have a clear cut visibility. Now, most of the time I see people, they do random post and they will have more than 20 hashtags, random hashtags fitted into the content, no matter if that's related or not related. And sometimes the hashtags are also their own names. Like, for example, if I use a hashtag, I'll say hashtag limitless Sagar. I mean, is anybody even following that hashtag? We don't know. So the best thing to do is ensure that the hashtag that you're using is the hashtag which people are following. So I'll give you one more tip on LinkedIn. Go into your search bar and type this word, hashtag career. The first person to give me the answer, the right answer, gets a 20-minute call from me to have their LinkedIn profile analysis done. A 20-minute call, one-on-one, no cost attached. So if you tell me the answer, no, not career guidance, just hashtag career, CAREER. Tell me how many followers do you see there? Amit, yeah, you're too quick, guy. So Rachna, can you just share my number with Amit and I'll talk to him later? Okay.
Yes, I will do that.
So, thank you. Okay, so the next tip is just add one letter, the beginning letter of my word, which is S, Sagar. Just add the S and see what is the magic. The same rule applies, guys. The first person to give me the right answer wins it. Krishna, bang on. You can take the number. So you can imagine that if you're using the right hashtag, 4 lakh followers will convert into 22 lakh followers. So you need not reinvent the wheel. You need not reinvent a new hashtag. There are hashtags which you can use to ensure that you get the right followers. The list of the hashtags to start with, I can leadership, hashtag mindfulness, hashtag startups, and hashtag entrepreneurship. All these are trending hashtag. Try using them and let me know the impact. The most useful hashtag is hashtag India. It has got 67 lakh followers. Hashtag India has got 67 lakh followers, my friend. So if you don't have more followers on your profile, just use hashtag India in your post and see the magic happen. Okay, so now coming on to the other 3 hacks. For video, the hack is very simple. LinkedIn allows you to have a video of 10 minutes. I suggest and strongly recommend have a video less than 1 minute, and it will have a very good impact, because the video, if it is less than 1 minute, it is being pushed to the first level, second level, and third level connections. So the first level connections are basically your direct connections. The second level connections are the connections of your connections. And third level are random connections on LinkedIn. That means if you use the right hashtag, if your videos are less than 1 minute, your post will end up getting a trending notification. Now, there's one important thing which has been provided to all of us by LinkedIn, which is also known as documents. If you have tried documents of late in last 1 week or 1 month, just type D in the chat. If you have not tried it, leave it as it is. If you have tried document, just type D. Okay, I see that only few people have tried it. So for others to know, if you want to know what a document is or what is the benefit of a document, you can later check this link. You will see what this document is all about. You can copy paste and keep it aside. You can check it later. All of us make presentations, being into learning and development, being into training, or being into a coaching or anything. That PPT, short content or short long PPT, not the long form content, but the short form content in that PPT can definitely be converted into a content, and that can become a very good branding piece for you. You can have your own branding PPT. For example, you start with your photograph and give one tip, go to the second photograph, give another tip about what they can do. Ensure that you give them one or the other hook which takes them to another slide, because every time a reader clicks on the document, it means it is one engagement. It means it is one view. And the link that I've shared you is the post which has been trending. The first post that you saw that I showed you, it's trending in productivity. This is the post which was trending in productivity. You can see how simple that post was, but it has got me more than 230 connections in just 24 hours. And that is the power of a trending post. 230 connections in less than 24 hours. So these are few tips for the consistency in the part of connect. There's one more piece which is provided by LinkedIn to ensure that you can have consistency of content, which is you can welcome a team member or you can give kudos. Giving appreciation is very well taken on LinkedIn because people like when you appreciate each other openly. LinkedIn algorithm has got a special link. If you give kudos to anybody, it ensures that it will circulate the post very, very fast. The reason, because LinkedIn wants people to use that app, and that app has not been very widely used. So give LinkedIn a chance to be happy, and it will ensure that your post is going far and wide. The second benefit why kudos goes far and wide is it is two people who are tagged in that kudo. One, the sender, and second is the receiver. That means if two people put together have got 20,000 connections, all the 20,000 connections get that notification. So you are immediately inviting the visibility to 20,000 people, and you can give a kudos to your friend or your colleague and ensure that they get the visibility. So that's one of the hack. There are 64 people on this call right now. If 62 people can give kudos to each other, you can imagine what kind of a visibility you are creating for your own self. Okay, so now when I was talking about a scheduling app, you can use all four, or you can use any of the four applications which can help you to post and schedule your post on LinkedIn, which means you do not have to invest your time on LinkedIn. Invest 20 minutes in a day, line up all the posts on this, and there you go, you're free to go. Now all these applications are not free, and I don't have any idea about their costing because their costing keeps changing. But for my recommendation, I use Hootsuite and Buffer alternatively, and they work wonders because they also give you analytics about your post. They also tell you about what is trending and what is not trending. So that is the power of these tools, and they are really handy.
Sagar, are you using a paid version for them?
Yes, I am. But I used a free version for 1 month to test if it's suiting my requirements. So there are free versions available. You can try them for a month. If they suit your requirement and if they suit your taste, you use them. If not, then you can switch on. There are more than 50 such applications available. I suggested these four is because I have tried and tested them. The last piece is do not spam your network. Most of the time, what happens is after such workshops, people start posting 3 posts every day and they start sending their LinkedIn links to their network left, right, and center on WhatsApp. And that, my friend, is a big no-no. Do not try to send LinkedIn post by WhatsApp just to get some engagement. Ensure that you are not spamming people with your post. So just to give you a feedback, guys, it's been 30 minutes right now, 31 for that thing. We've got 14 comments from various people and the views have reached to 215. So 30 minutes and this is the power of only 14 comments. I'm sure I can get 62 comments in the next few minutes. Don't think, what should I post? Don't think, what should I write? Just write something, ensure that your name comes in that chain. Ensure that you are visible in that chain because there'll be 62 people commenting. Each person has got a minimum, let's say, of 5,000 followers. 6 5s are 30. We are looking at a huge number. So if we all can do that, that is the power of collaboration. That's a power of collaborative networking. The last piece before we open up for question and answer round is groups. Groups are very, very important for LinkedIn to get a B2B connect. How many times do you ask a CEO their number and try to connect to them and you get it? It's very difficult to do that. But on LinkedIn, you have groups which are specific to your field. For example, if you press automotive in your search bar and go to groups, you will see that automotive has got more than 33 groups and one of the group has got more than 4 lakh professionals. Now imagine if you are into automotive and if you are catering to that segment, try posting 1 or 2 posts in that group. And don't you think that people will try connecting with you if your post is relevant? The same way on LinkedIn, if you type CXO or CEO, there is a group of CEOs, which is an elite member group, which has got 98,000 CEOs available on LinkedIn and they are all very active. So if you know that this is your business and if you are catering to the C-suite or the leadership and you post something in that group, not the pitching, of course, but if you post something which is going to add value, why will they not look into that post? The second important thing about a post is you can get a post which is trending in less than 24 hours. All you need to do is it needs to have a story. Now, how does a story work? The story works because there are emotions connected to it. I will share one link of a story for all of you to get an example of how can you start, what should be the tipping point, and how can you conclude the story. And always remember that the LinkedIn post needs to have a call to action. Unless and until you have a call to action, your post will not be viral. Your post will not go into the share mode. So ensure that you have a call to action and you have an invitation. So I'm trying to find the story that I have, and that will be an example for all of you. You can keep that link safe. You can use that link whenever you want. This is a right example to have a story because this is trending in not less than 24 hours. I've just posted it 3 days back and it's already trending. Yeah, so the last piece is use always a 80-20 rule. I'm sure most of you know what 80-20 rule or Pareto rule is, but on LinkedIn, the 80-20 rule is 80% of the time that you're spending on LinkedIn, try to discuss, try to comment, have conversation, and establish your thought leadership. 20% of the time, post your own content. Because if you keep posting your own content without engaging with other people, the algorithm does not push that to the second degree connections. Last but not the least, as I've told you all to ask recommendation, this is my request to all of you. I would be happy to receive your recommendations on my profile. You can use these keywords and help me to boost my profile and my SSI. I'm open for questions. If anybody has questions, I'll be happy to answer them.
Questions, guys? I mean, everybody's got busy.
Yeah.
Either they are busy or maybe they've understood everything. So there's no question.
No, I think, hello, can you hear
Yes,
me?
Amit, please tell
Yeah,
me.
many questions for you. So
No
like,
problem.
as, yeah, the software which you mentioned can do group posting as well?
Yes,
Okay, great.
but you need to get into the paid version. The free version does not allow you to do that.
Okay. And you
Because the
say,
group,
mm-hmm,
let me just answer it.
mm-hmm,
The group basically happens that when you go into your LinkedIn profile and when you type post, there's an arrow button which says anyone plus Twitter, and then it allows you to select the group. So that's exactly the setting that you need to do when you're doing the setting for a group post. And for that, you need to get the paid version because the setting is not allowed in the free one.
and why you use the software alternatively? You mentioned that for
Uh,
some reason.
No, not for any particular reason, but what happens is, see, Hootsuite has some limitations which Sprout does not have. So I try to use them alternatively to ensure that, the algorithm does not catch that I'm using a scheduler and still, it goes on. You need to be smart enough to play with the algorithm.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Guys, questions?
Hello, Sagar. Can you hear me? This is
Yes,
Abir
sir, loud and
Bhattacharya.
clear. Loud and clear.
Yeah. Very good evening to you once again. I have a question. I have a small question. When you said when I'm sending an email across, then I share my URL, and
Yes.
then you said edit your URL. You gave an example of Expert Sagar, which is there. So how do you edit that URL? I think I missed out on that part probably because you mentioned it.
No problem. Are you in front of your computer desktop right now?
No, I'm not. I'm afraid I'm not.
Okay, fair enough. So next time when you're in front of your computer, go on to your LinkedIn profile. On the right hand side top, you will see a small icon which says me. Click on that arrow. It will say view profile. Go on to
Yeah.
view profile. On the right hand side corner, it will show you a click where it says edit profile.
Right.
On that edit profile URL, when you click, it will give you the profile URL which is already available and you can do it. What I can do is whenever next you are in front of your desktop, if you give me a call, I'll guide you through. No problem. You can do that for me.
Okay, but where do I get your number?
Sir, it's on my LinkedIn. Go into my about and
Okay,
you will
okay,
find it.
okay. Thank you so much. Okay.
No problem.
Okay, one more question from my side. Like when we connect sometime, even connecting with CXO or whatever level, but how to like chat with them and engage more with them? Because that is a pain point for everyone, I think.
Uh, I mean, when you say how do you chat with them, that depends exactly upon your communication and interpersonal skills. This session is basically for LinkedIn and not to teach the interpersonal skills. So I'll not be able to answer that question because that completely depends upon your skills.
Okay, great.
So guys, I will not let this opportunity go by. I have 57 participants. Please, there is a link which I post for L&D Global chapter. Please click on the link and follow us. Be there, follow us, all of us, and see more engagements that we can have, and please put your recommendations for the page. It is important. You guys are attending this LinkedIn session. So put in this recommendation for the LinkedIn page, the global chapter page. It is very, very important. Right?
Yeah, so
Because
Poonam has got one.
Yes, please, Poonam.
Yeah, one question. The paid version is better of LinkedIn. Poonam, I would say that it depends upon your requirement. The paid version is basically for people who are either into sales or who are into recruitment. But people who are just general users and you want to use the platform for your own business, I don't recommend using a paid version because it's an investment of money which you can use somewhere else.
Sagar, this is Partho Chakravarti.
Thank you so much, Sagar. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, Sagar, this is Partho. I was just trying to edit the link which you mentioned a little while ago. So while I'm trying to do that, it says your custom URL cannot contain white space. Try a different URL.
Yeah, because I mean, you cannot try something which is not allowed by LinkedIn. So space or asterisk mark or dollar, that cannot be checked. So that is in the control of LinkedIn and not me. So whatever LinkedIn allows you, you can have it.
Okay.
So what are you trying to type? If I can understand and help you out, what are you trying to type with the space?
Oh, so it already threw the default URL, right?
No, that's okay, sir. But what URL you want to make? Let me know. I'll tell you the hack.
So as you have expert at the end of your profile,
Right.
so I also wanted to add some adjective.
What is that adjective? If you tell me, I'll help you.
Maybe I'll write a trainer or a coach or something.
Okay. So first point, please don't write trainer and a coach because there are more than 3 million coaches in India right now. What are you a coach for? Are you a life coach? Are you a leadership coach? Are you an executive coach? I mean, once you put that, you're adding value.
Correct. So maybe I'll write behavioral coach.
Brilliant. Sure, sir. So what you can do is you can just put behavior coach dot and your name. So you will not have a white space and you will still have your URL. If the dot is not allowed, you can use an underscore. If that is not allowed, use a hyphen.
Okay. Now over here, it says www.linkedin.com and all those things.
Yes.
So I can remove the entire thing.
No, my dear sir. LinkedIn का तो नाम आप निकाल दोगे तो LinkedIn कैसे जिएगा?
So I was only editing the last portion. There are some numbers given after my name.
Yeah, so वो आप निकाल दो. See, you can only edit after the in and the forward slash. Because linkedin.com and /in for India is their bread and butter. You cannot remove their bread and butter. Otherwise, they'll remove all of us.
Right. So I'm not removing that. I'm only adding the portions which is after.
No problem, sir. I'm just talking on a lighter note. That's
right. But usme bhi this white space comment is coming up. So.
But white space aayega to the URL breaks. So the URL normally when you see on any URL, there's no gap. Either there's an hyphen or an underscore or a full stop, something of that sort. Because the minute you have a gap, it's not a URL. It's a different word.
Right. So I was trying hyphen, but the hyphen it's not allowing.
Sir, underscore है, hyphen है, full stop है, comma है, बहुत सारे options है. आप कुछ भी use कर सकते हो. Try it.
ठीक है. I'll do that.
And if you still can't get it, let me know. I'll do it for you.
All right. Thank you so much.
Okay, no problem.
Satrupa has a question.
Hello.
Hi,
Sagar, I have a question. Hi, how are you?
Fine.
The question that the thing that you were telling about thing about us. So what are the first 3 things it's better for us to place on the table? Because I am into 3-4 things. So how do I know which 3 things should I be placing and how should I place?
Which one gets you money more?
Training and counseling and instructional designing.
So Pareto analysis, the first thing that gets more money, you put it first.
Okay. Thanks.
Can I ask a question?
Yeah, Sashi has a question.
Yeah, so I wanted to ask about posting pictures with my writing. Like I conducted 12 sessions, suppose on some subject, and I want to post some pictures showing that I did some sessions. So when I tried posting even 2 pictures, they were not coming properly. They were getting cut from the sides. So can you give us some tips regarding posting pictures with my writing part?
Documents, create a document and post it. So you will have a writing at the side and you will have the picture on the left, and every single document will also ensure that you get better engagement. I've shared the link of the document how I have created for productivity, which was trending. Click on that post and you will see how you can create for yourself.
Okay.
But one thing for all professionals, if you're bragging about the trainings that you have done, do it once in a week. 7 days, you do brag one day. The 6 days, you brag about your knowledge, about your thought leadership, and not about your training.
Okay, thanks.
All right, guys.
Sagar, I have
Yes. Anybody have?
Sagar
Yes,
Sujit
sir.
here.
Yes, sir. Please tell me.
Sagar, I have a doubt. I am asking you. I have a business page which is related linked to my profile. So if I ask someone to handle my page, would I need to give him my user ID and password?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Because I handle 7 pages right now of different people, and they have to give me their login ID password, because I cannot do it without that. The only catch that you have to ensure is, if that person is using your pages on 3 or 4 IPs, your page will be getting blocked. So ensure that whomever you are giving it is not using it beyond 3-4 different IPs, the 3-4 different computers. Otherwise the algorithm checks it and it will block it.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Sure, sir.
Sagar, first of all, thank you so much for such a wonderful session.
Thank you.
I just wanted to know one thing, your opinion basically about posting any kind of an old media, maybe old pictures or an old video or something.
Can you give me some reference? What do you mean by an old video?
It's something like that. I have been off the scene on LinkedIn for some time now.
Okay.
So now I'm trying to, with this situation currently going on, I have time on my hands, and I'm trying to rebuild my LinkedIn connections and my profile. So I wanted to add on some older pictures, maybe some 2 years, 3 years back, what I have done on my professional front.
Will they add value to the reader? That's the first
Yes.
question you need to answer.
Yes, yes.
If they are going to add value to the reader, create a content saying that, it was a very wonderful session with so and so. You just give a reference sometime, and
Okay.
that brought me back to my days when I did this session with so and so company 2 years back, and it's so wonderful to relive that moment now. Blah blah blah. Some content, some story, some
Okay.
emotion, and post it.
Okay. Wonderful. Thank you.
Okay.
Guys, I have not got too many followers on my LinkedIn local L&D Global Kolkata page. So I've only got 20 of you all following me. Come on, I really don't see how many of you don't have smartphones, or are you all using your smartphones? All right. So anyways, I think any more questions here?
Can you throw a little light on the filter option? How to, filter properly? Because I don't think I'm quite good at it. Like if I want to look for a particular group and in a particular city, and then a particular profession, the filtration part of it.
So let's do it live. Okay, I'll open my LinkedIn page. You tell me what you want to filter, and we'll do it live. Does it help?
Yeah.
Okay. So I've shared my page right now. Let's do it live. Tell me.
So maybe I want to connect with top 10 women entrepreneurs in India. No, specifically in Delhi.
Okay, but you have to be specific on women entrepreneurs. So
yeah, women entrepreneurs, Delhi, top 10, and maybe some field.
Okay, so women
banking
entrepreneurs.
Sector.
No
banking
problem.
sector. So it makes the filtration more specific.
Right. So when you do women entrepreneurs in people, you have got around 1,36,000 results. So which is the location you want?
Delhi.
Delhi. Apply. Any other thing?
I said banking sector.
Banking?
Or financial services, whatever,
Yeah,
some sector.
fine.
So I'm not on LinkedIn right now. I'm just right now listening to you. So there is an option for that field also.
Yes, if you see on my screen, you have got options for connections,
Yes.
connections of locations, company, past companies, industries. So here, if I go on finance, financial services, profile English, anything else that you want to add filter, there are still more filters, services, contacts. If not, we can just apply here. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and you've got 31 results in your area who are into financial services and who are women entrepreneurs. Now, the point here why Alpit Agarwal is coming, we need to deep dive into his thing because he might have some page which he has liked for women entrepreneurs. And this is a big mistake where people make, because being from IIM Ahmedabad and he's making this mistake when people are searching for women entrepreneurs, he's coming on the top.
Maybe he's working with women entrepreneurs.
Yes, Rachna, but the point here is that, you know, he's putting his profile into a wrong area. Okay, because when you're working with women entrepreneurs, that's a different story. But, you know, when you actually need to connect with women entrepreneurs and your name is popping up, that means your search engine optimization is not done properly. Your profile is not optimized. Because imagine that you would be listed in XYZ. Would you be happy to be listed in something that you're not interested or doing anything? So, Shashi, does it help, the screen that we have shown you?
Okay.
Shashi?
Yeah, it helps. Are these filters the same in unpaid version also?
I am not on premium, my dear. I am on free.
Achha,
I have not invested a single penny on LinkedIn.
Okay, thanks.
Shom Mukherjee, you have a question. Could you please go ahead and ask?
No, nothing in particular. Actually, this session was very fast for me. I'm like a dinosaur. So I realized that I have a lot of catching to do. So maybe in the next session I can ask, you know, because you know, a lot of these things I joined late also. So pardon me, Sagar. Thank you very much for your
Okay,
enlightening session.
I give you one more opportunity. You can ask me any one question and I'll be happy to answer. Chalo.
No. I think it will take some time because no, I missed out on quite a few. So what I'll do is I'll do my homework next time and come.
No problem. Connect me with on LinkedIn and I'll
because I don't believe that you are on free LinkedIn, because in free I have navigated LinkedIn for the last 20 years.
Okay.
And I have realized that nothing is free on LinkedIn. So that's why I said I need to catch up on some.
1 minute. So let me show you my profile. I can show that there's no premium.
No, that's fine. You can show your profile. But what I'm saying is maybe I'm not educated enough to understand the free part of it. So that's why I said I need to kind of go through the basics first, because I think the basics are missing somewhere in my case. I'm not able to follow. That's why I typed in the beginning that you're going a little fast for me. So pardon me for that, but I'm being very honest. I hope you appreciate that.
I appreciate, but I also have to look at 64 people getting more value in the 40 minutes that they are investing with me, and I had to cover that up for them.
That was the whole idea also for me to join, but I have asked quite a few questions on the chat box, but somehow it was not answered, and I felt that I'm, you know, kind of. So anyway, the screen which you showed right now also, if you can enlarge that screen and show once again, because that screen was too small for me, and I don't know, maybe something wrong with my laptop. Just now, which you showed to Shashi, the filtering, where Shashi asked that whether it is a paid service or a free service.
Okay, so let me first take you all through my profile. So is my screen visible to all? I'm just sharing it. 1 second. Is my screen visible?
Yeah, but it's too small for me right now. I don't know. Maybe I have some.
That's the full laptop screen that I have. I don't have anything beyond this.
Yeah.
Shom, you're on mobile?
No, I'm on laptop. I need to. That's why I said I'm a little dinosaur.
No,
so
then okay. I'll tell you one more hack. to solve that problem, pin my video on your laptop.
Yeah. Okay, now I think I've managed it. I've removed the screen on the right side. So I think need a Zoom training as well.
No. Rachna, can you pin my video for everybody?
Yes, I have put you on the spotlight, Sagar.
Thank you. So I think the problem is solved now.
Yeah, fair enough. I think all my other webinars was like this. So now I'm more comfortable. Yeah.
Brilliant. So I'm happy at least one thing was according to what you wished. Great. So
I get one of your questions here, Sagar. I will not like to leave people like that, so I'm keeping hold on you. And his question was how important is a cover page updation in LinkedIn?
Okay, so 1 second. Let me just open that chat so that I can read. Can you explain me what do you mean by the cover page actually?
Cover page is what you have at the top.
Because there's no cover page on LinkedIn. Okay, you mean to say the cover banner. Yeah, so sir, the point here is, would you pay a person for advertising your business on a highway? How much would you pay them?
Sorry, not clear.
Okay, I'm asking you a simple question. Let's say you are doing an event, which is one of the best event in your city, and you have to put hoardings on the streets of your city. How much money are you willing to pay for those hoardings?
In the current situation, I won't pay anything.
Fair enough. The answer is very witty, but my question is, when you're having a situation which is normal, so let's move forward on this and let's understand each other. So I'm talking about a normal scenario when the events are there and you want to advertise your own self. Would you pay anything for the hoarding or would you not pay?
No, as I told you, it can be a hypothetical situation. So
brilliant. So let me not get into hypothetics with you. Let me answer it very straight. LinkedIn is giving you a free space for advertising panel. If you use it, it's your win. If you don't use it, it's your loss.
Sagar, this is Rosario.
All right.
Hello.
Shom, somebody is speaking.
I was Rosario speaking here. Sagar.
It's volume. I'm not able to hear it, sir.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yeah, perfect.
Okay, just wanted to know on the same banner question.
Hanji.
How do I edit that? I'm just getting a blue page.
Okay.
I'm clicking on that banner.
Hanji.
That blue thing is getting expanded. That's all. Now, how do I edit that?
No. Okay, give me 1 minute and I'll show you right now.
Sagar, while you do this, can you answer one question? While you do this, can you answer with the companies?
Multitasking, I am not so good at it. Let me be productive on one area, and I'm okay to be on the call. I have no hurry. I'll answer all the questions. Don't worry. So, sir, can you see my screen now?
Yes, I can.
Okay, so you can click here on this button.
Okay.
It gets you to this page, correct?
Okay.
Then you click on this button and it will ask you to change the photograph.
All right. Okay.
Does it solve the problem?
Yes, it does. I'll try it out now. And if I can't do it, I'll take help from somebody.
Okay. One tip for all people who are on this call right now. I can see 46 participants still there and they will get you can create your banner on a software which is completely free, and that is Canva. Canva. So everybody who has stayed back now gets a free tip. You can use Canva to create your own banner. It's a free tool.
Canva.
Yeah, Canva.com.
Okay. Thank you so much for that tip.
No problem.
Sagar, Mr. Das is asking, are you doing any paid courses on this, or is there basic level or something? Do you do it in a form of a paid course or something?
Yeah, so I have paid course. Can I put it on the slide if you don't mind?
Yeah, I think people are asking for it, so why not?
No problem. So is my screen visible?
Yes.
Okay. So normally this is what I offer to everybody, that I do LinkedIn profile analysis for 5,000 rupees. And normally when I do any webinars for people who are ready to engage with me, they get a profile analysis plus 5 lessons on WhatsApp, the strategy secrets about all the hashtags that can be used. And there is an exercise for each session. So if you don't move to the next level, I don't take the next lesson. But 15 days is what I complete. So if you're not doing it, the last day I will throw all the questions on WhatsApp. So it's a 15 days online workshop, and I take 1899 for it.
You are charging 1899 for the entire thing?
Yes, sir, and that is completely on WhatsApp.
And what is this 5,000, 15,000 you put on this side of all these?
Normally when I used to do one-on-one, because all this is now virtual, earlier
Okay.
I used to have clients, and I still have clients who don't like on WhatsApp. So for them, I do a session one-on-one, which I charge 60,000 rupees, where they get all the 5 lessons, not on WhatsApp, but with me on a 40-minute Zoom call. So it's a one-on-one session for which I take 60,000, but because I'm doing everything on a virtual platform and I'm doing it through WhatsApp, I've reduced the package price from 5,000 to 1899. But if somebody says that I'm too slow, like Mr. Som said, I would prefer that they approach me directly, and I charge 60,000 for 5 sessions, 5 Zoom calls, and completely build their visibility and leadership.
This hi Sagar, can you hear me?
Yes, please share your name.
Is it, my name is Deepak Bhattacharya. I'm from Kolkata. Is this 1899 include the 5,000 rupees profile analysis?
Sir, it includes everything which is on your screen right now. I've reduced it for 1899 for all the webinars that I've been doing for COVID-19 period.
Okay.
So everything that you see on your screen is a part of the package.
Okay.
Sagar, this is Rosario here once again.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just I was trying to change the banner. The small edit pencil which is there. Hello.
Yes. Loud and clear.
वो छोटा pencil image जो है ना?
हाँ जी.
When I'm clicking on that, my everything is coming except the banner. Banner जब हम click कर रहे हैं, banner को edit करने के लिए कुछ नहीं आ रहा है.
Sir, I won't be able to help you if I don't see your screen.
Can you share, Mr. Rosario? Will you be able to share your screen with us? I'll give you an access to that.
I am doing it on my smartphone, and I don't have Zoom downloaded.
It won't work on a smartphone, sir. It works.
Okay, all right. So I have to do. I'm actually listening to you, attending the seminar on my laptop. So I'm on the site. I was doing all this.
The change of URL and the change of banner is only possible when you are having a laptop, and the QR code is only possible on the smartphone.
Laptop. अच्छा ठीक है. Okay, done. I'll download LinkedIn on my laptop and I'll try and see what.
So you don't need to download. Google directly. I'm still and do it directly.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Sir, I have a question.
Sagar ji, one more question, please.
Sure, sir.
Where do we pay this money? How do we transfer this money to you?
Yeah, so I was not expecting this from this webinar, so I have not shared the link, but I will share the link with Rachna in another 15
I'll take it
minutes
from her.
now. No problem, sir.
People, whoever is interested, just a minute, Satruba, I'll just make this announcement. If you all are interested to connect with Sagar, you might have received a WhatsApp message from me for joining this webinar. Please reply back to same message saying connect with me to Sagar, and I will share his number where you can And I will also share the link where you can actually connect with him both ways. Am I clear?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Yep.
Right. So yes, Satruba, please go ahead.
Yeah, so Sagar, there is LinkedIn Learning, which is there, and I do a lot of courses through LinkedIn Learning. And how effective is that doing the, course certificates? Because I'm a paid member. So what impact does this LinkedIn Learning has on this LinkedIn profile? Because I've done a few courses like positive psychology, and I'm doing instructional designing, other certifications. So that's my question to you.
So the answer is very simple. LinkedIn gives us the page and the profile which is available for free for all of us. So the only revenue model that they have is either through ads or through LinkedIn Learning or through premium. Now premium membership, not too many people take. So the option is LinkedIn Learning. So they try to get as many users to purchase LinkedIn Learning by giving them a free access, and that's where they make money out of it. So LinkedIn Learning, frankly speaking, for me has not added value, but it's just a matter of putting it on your profile. But if you take that certificate and go to any corporate that I've done this course on LinkedIn Learning, do you think that will add value? Frankly speaking.
No, that will not.
So I mean, that's my take on it, that LinkedIn Learning is basically a platform for LinkedIn to earn their own revenue. So let's not get into that. And if you still I would not discourage you for that. You can continue being on premium, but I don't recommend it personally.
And also there are some job posts that I get on a regular basis, and I connect with the recruiters as well as the HR heads or the L&D heads of that company, and I have a message conversation. So premium has helped me to do that. So
yeah, so that's where I said, either you are using a sales or you are a HR professional into recruiting, then you use premium. But apart from that, just to grow your business or grow your visibility, you need not do that. I mean, I am not a paid member till now, and I am also achieved being a commended profile of 2019 without paying any single penny to LinkedIn. So you need not be LinkedIn premium to grow your visibility.
Okay, that's answers my question. Thank you so much.
Pleasure.
Hi Sagar, this is Ankit Juneja from Kanpur.
Hi sir.
Sir, I am a financial consultant. As a mutual fund, work as a mutual fund distributor. So, what kind of hashtags I should use it? I would like, if you I get, I would like to attend this session once more because I have missed some part of the session, or I could get the recording.
Yeah, so hashtags, you can use various hashtags which are there, like hashtag finance, hashtag management, hashtag even business, because that are the people who are going to invest money in you. So hashtag professionals is one, and all these hashtags have more than 10 to 15 lakh followers. So how you can find those hashtags is you have to do an R&D and keep searching. So I have a bank of hashtags which I keep a track of from last 1 year about how they are trending, what is their flow, because every week there's a different hashtag. So as of now, as of this week, I can say that hashtag management, marketing, branding, startup, entrepreneurship, all these are trending, and hashtag India has got 67 lakh followers. So
where we can find that what are the trending hashtags right now?
If you go in your mobile application on LinkedIn,
is there some mechanism on that?
Yes, sir. It's more of an R&D where you have to do your own R&D. So let's say when you go into your mobile phone and you have two dots, that is my network. If you go into my network and if you keep scrolling down, they show you the trending hashtags for your profile and which are recommended for you. So if you can see on my screen, it will show it like this.
Okay. Okay. That's fine, sir. So one more thing. In starting, you have told that we have to go on setting on account. there we have to find some link where we can connect it to with Twitter.
Desktop
So
is
that
advisable to connect with Twitter, not your mobile phone, sir. Use a desktop. It's easy.
I was not finding that point from where I could connect to the Twitter
Okay.
on accounts.
Are you on your desktop or on your smartphone?
So I'm on my desktop also, but I haven't logged in my LinkedIn into my desktop. I'm into mobile.
Okay. So after this session, what you can do is just log into your LinkedIn account on your desktop. On the top right corner where you see a small photograph of yourself, there is an arrow key. Click on that arrow key, scroll down to the settings. When you go into settings, on your extreme left, you will have accounts. Click on that accounts, bottom fourth line, which is Twitter settings. Go there and update your Twitter settings and you're good to go.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Pleasure.
So guys, any more questions or we are ready to go? In fact, are we good to go?
I think we are good to go and
Okay, so if we are good to go, then I have posted a link on the chat box. I have posted a link on the chat box. Please leave your comments of the session on the LinkedIn profile with that same connection. If you loved the session, if you liked the session, if you liked what value Sagar was adding, guys, please don't message on the chat box. I'm reposting the link again. Just copy paste the link and give us a comment over there. How did the session feel for you and what did you learn? One takeaway from the session that you have. So that will be very, very nice. Instead of just, posting lovely session, wonderful session, one takeaway from your session. And I'm learning from Sagar to post one takeaway from the session with a hashtag, whatever you feel like. All right.
So we can use hashtag in comment as well.
Sagarji, if you will,
yes.
That adds mileage.
Yes, you should always use more hashtags in comment because you're allowed to use 3 hashtags in the post, but in comment, there is no limitations. You can use as many as you want. In the post, do not use more than 3 hashtags. Otherwise, it will become heavy and algorithm will not be able to push it.
Okay, great. One last tip at the end as well. Thank you.
All right. So thank you so much.
Sagarji, if you will be doing sometime else session, I would like to attend once more.
Sorry? Sir, I would say rather than attending
if you will be doing this session sometime else, I would like to attend once more.
Yeah, so I'm saying rather than attending a session, I would love you to join the course and complete it because that would be more than the session.
Sure, sir. Sure.
So is Mr. Mitra here? Mr. Mitra? All right.
I'm here, Rachna.
Yes. So can we formally close the session?
Yeah, it was. Thank you, Mr. Sagar. It was really a wonderful session. A wonderful session. We are using LinkedIn for more than decades. But this was really an eye-opener session for all of us. A real an eye-opener. And I'm thanking you from the bottom of my heart for doing this eye-opener for all the members of the L&D Global Kolkata chapter who are attending the session today. And definitely we are, at least many of us are looking forward to joining your session and rather the class that you will be conducting and taking it forward from here. Sure. And thank you very much.